For listeners out there who still might be designing their own lessons, what does it do for you to move from writing your own lessons to going to something like Amplify? What does it alleviate? What does it allow you to do?
I know I can count on this engaging lesson. That part's done for me. So now I can really even dive in deeper and personalize it for my students, anticipate additional needs. And when I think about prior to that, I mean, to do it all is it's just too much. And inevitably, there's things that go to the wayside. And what goes to the wayside is, I think, those extensions, those questions to dig deeper, that personalized learning. And, you hate to admit it, but that's just the reality. We can only do so much. And so to know that that has been provided for you is just, relieves so much of the work and allows you to focus on things that maybe you were not always able to focus on. And arguably, I would say probably the more important piece, because it is your personal students.